I got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes just when I was about to turn 25. As much as I can remember, it was immense pain. I was almost unconscious. And when they checked my blood sugar, they found out that my blood glucose levels were 625. That is when they realized that she is actually diabetic.
Energize was on Shark Tank, and that was an amazing episode. Do you want to share some BTS moments?
It was nerve-wracking. We were a pre-revenue company, so we were not essentially out in the market. हम बहुत ऐसे nervous थे कि कैसे करें, will we get selected or not, हमें funding मिलेगी क्या. We were very confident with the product. हमें पता था कि हमें product बस pitch नहीं करना है. We have to prove our product on a national television. We were really nervous, but we knew कि this is our moment to shine.
Can you tell us more about the product?
Energize is basically a wearable device that will help you de-stress anywhere, anytime within 10 minutes. There are a lot of government programs that are happening, especially for supporting women. तो अभी वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम आया है which has made things a lot more easier. But पहले उतना नहीं था, तो पहले तो बहुत स्ट्रगल होता था. Like getting just one meeting would be such a tough thing.
And the sad part is sometimes women are looked, हाँ लड़की क्या ही कर लेगी.
मतलब ये 2 साल करेगी फिर छोड़ देगी.
क्या ही कर सकती है.
That is the attitude people have.
Hello there everyone. Being a diabetic means managing a lot of things. Hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, have I carried my insulin, is my glucometer working, or have I carried my Glucon-D? But with this, there's one more thing that we manage, people, and altogether it's a different challenge. And today I have with me Shalmali Kadu, who is the co-founder as well as head of the product at Energize. She's also type 1 diabetic, and we somewhat share a similar journey. So hi Shalmali, and
hi Kiara.
Welcome on Catch Up with Kiara. Let's quickly dive into this conversation. First, I would like to ask you is that, if I'm not wrong, you got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes a year back. How was it? How did you navigate it? And how was that story?
Yeah. I got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes just when I was about to turn 25. And it was during November end. During that time, I had just come home for a Diwali vacation. I have been working on my startup Energize. And during that holiday, I was just having a normal lunch with my family, and suddenly I started experiencing these symptoms of feeling tired, having a severe headache, feeling thirsty all the time, so much so that I could not swallow any solid food. I was only drinking coconut water, ORS, fruit juices, and nothing would help. I thought maybe this is just a normal fatigue. I have been working continuously and traveling a lot, so I thought that maybe I'll just come home, rest for a while, and maybe this will become normal. But the next day it got even worse. I started vomiting, I started experiencing tachycardia, and my parents really panicked, so they took me to the hospital. And as much as I can remember, it was immense pain. I was almost unconscious. And when they checked my blood sugar, they found out that my blood glucose levels were 625 mgdl.
Oh God.
So that is when they realized that she is actually diabetic. But we were still not clear whether this was type 1, this was type 2, or this is something that has happened for a momentary purpose. But I was in the ICU for a week. They were trying to get my blood glucose to a stable level. I was put on insulin support and various other medications to have my symptoms under control. So that is how we found out. But I think that initial shock that came, that how can a 25-year-old diabetic how can a 25-year-old be diagnosed with diabetic? Isn't this something that usually happens when people grow old? Or maybe at young age you might find out. But why is it that it's happening now? So my doctors were really confused. They in fact sent my blood samples outside in the research centers and other labs to find out that which type is it and what might be the probable cause for this diagnosis. After running some tests, we found out that it is type 1 diabetes, which means it's an autoimmune disorder. And that's when the sisters, the doctors sat me down, explained the whole situation to me. They taught me how to use a syringe, how should I take my insulin, what should be the time period. So all that learning started coming down, and it really felt like 25 years of my life was different and 25 years coming Now it is going to be completely different.
How did you, but like if you want to compare it to back then to now, what difference do you see in yourself? Like,
I mean, looking back, I honestly feel that I'm much more healthier version now, even though I'm diabetic, because now it's much more, I'm much more aware. I pay attention to my symptoms. I'm taking care of my diet. I am regularly exercising. So all of these things I've started taking care of myself, which back in the days I would totally ignore, because you know, once you get into that hustle mode, it becomes very tough to take care of
it's
yourself.
like क्या ही होता है ऐसे
Exactly. आप एक बार traveling start कर दो, it's
already
very hard to
exhausted.
put
True
a
that.
tab. So yeah, I think I'm able to manage it now much better. It was very intimidating in the initial days, and as you might know, as diabetic, I think it's more hard on our loved ones, because
Emotional.
it's very tough emotionally, and just that acceptance takes a lot of time. So me, my family went through that journey, and thankfully now they are also more aware. They are also taking care of other things. So that is how we all have learned together, and we are navigating through this together.
Since you mentioned loved ones, like my parents have been very supportive from the scratch. How did your parents take it when they found out, oh, my daughter has type 1 diabetes? What was their initial reaction?
So as I said initially, it came as a shock. Nobody was ready to believe. Everybody would come up to me and say that, oh, आप इतनी young हो, आपको कैसे हो सकता है diabetes? So, and I also didn't know what to answer, right? I mean, if only I knew.
वो थोड़ा irritate तो हो गया
Yeah. Every doctor, every resident that would come on my shift, they would come and ask कि, अरे आपको तो type 1 diabetic कैसे हो सकता
वो
है?
sympathetic way में.
Yeah. Very in a sympathetic manner, and like they would come and say, okay, क्या आप stress बहुत लेती है, आप खाना time से नहीं खाती? मैंने बोला हाँ, but वो तो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे चलता है, right? I never really imagined that would turn into something like this. So I think accepting the fact that now she is type 1 and she kind of becomes like a high risk patient, that took a lot of time to understand. But I think my parents have eventually supported me a lot. I remember since I was working on startups, ever since I graduated, I've only been doing startups.
Right.
And now this diagnosis kind of put a halt on it, that maybe I should not pursue this, maybe startup is not for me.
Right.
But my parents have been really supportive. They were like, as long as you take care of your health, just ensure that now you need to take care of yourself.
Right.
And once you learn it, once you manage it, you can go back to work.
Right. And one more thing, when it comes from a third or fourth person, people understand better. To all the parents who are watching,
That's right.
you know how important parent support is. Even I know how crucial it is. What do you want to tell those parents who are watching?
I would say that it's not their fault that their children have gotten diagnosed with diabetes, and it is initially scary, but I think diabetes is all about management.
Right.
It's not like all your happiness has to come to a halt. It's not like you can't eat this, you can't eat that, you should do this. It's eventually your life, and I think diabetes is just a small part of it. It does not define you.
Exactly.
So it's very important to understand that diabetes is just a part of your life. It's a small aspect you just have to manage. Rest, your life is still going to be the same. You still have every right to pursue your dreams.
True.
You can eat whatever you want, whenever you want, provided
Portion
you are taking
control and
care.
whatever your doctor tells you.
Exactly. So I think it's manageable. I think we still need to create a lot of awareness to remove that fear out of their minds. And I believe as and when we raise more awareness, we can even prevent diabetes till some extent. So yeah, that's what I
now
like to say.
Diabetes, again through personal experience, has influenced my thought process towards many things. How has it helped you in your life? Because I've diabetes chalo hai aise problem hai, but it somewhere has that changed your thought process towards many things. Has that happened with you?
Oh, definitely. I mean, initially I did not really realize कि आप सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल एक्टिविटी करके या फिर किसी बात का टेंशन लेके भी आपके ब्लड ग्लूकोज इतने फ्लक्चुएट हो सकते हैं. आई मीन दैट व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड इट, बिकॉज इनिशियली जब डायबिटीज़ हुआ था, I did not know how to understand whether the glucose is going high or it's going low. Like,
Right.
what are the symptoms I should look out for? So that learning curve with my body, that took some time. And it's not just depends on what you eat. कि अच्छा आपने ये खा लिया, अभी आपका ग्लूकोज बढ़ेगा. आपने अगर वो खा भी लिया, अगर आप किसी बात पे स्ट्रेस्ड हो, या फिर आपने अच्छे से नींद नहीं ली है, you have not been able to sleep properly, that also is affecting your blood glucose levels. So when I learned that and I had a first hand experience, I think I became very, very strict with myself about my habits, what I eat, by what time am I eating, ensuring that I'm regularly taking good amount of sleep,
Right.
proper amount of rest, because our bodies need that time to
Obviously.
rest and recover.
True.
So when you give that body that particular amount of
Right.
time to recover, I think then future things become much more easier.
Right.
So,
So, since you mentioned like every minor thing also affects it, apparently according to studies that 20% 20% anxiety diabetics ज़्यादा face करते हैं.
true.
So, what do you want to say on that?
Yeah, I think when you have so many decisions to make, कि सिंपल अगर मैं बाहर गई हूँ आज मुझे कितना इंसुलिन लेना पड़ेगा अगर मैं बाहर खा रही हूँ, या फिर इसमें कितने कैलोरीज होंगे, कितने कार्ब्स होंगे. Every time your mind is entangled in those calculations, those decisions, because you know it's going to eventually affect your body, right? And trust me, once, I mean, you would understand this better, but once you've been through that hospitalization and once you've seen that whole process, you'd do anything to avoid it.
Right.
I mean, it's definitely not a nice feeling to have needles
You're
pierced
like a
in your
little
veins.
petrified. Mama, छोड़ो ना ऐसे होता है. With
Yeah,
me, though,
yeah,
it's like that. It's okay. No, I will figure it out. It's actually that
Yes.
is like for a diabetic. Moreover, can understand a diabetic.
Exactly.
And you know, again, diabetes is not about just managing your hypoglycemia, blood sugar levels. आते हैं लोगों के ताने. So like whenever I tell someone that oh I'm diabetic, बरसात होती है opinions की, misconceptions की, misinformation की. Have you faced this? And if you have, what is that one misconception that irritates you like crazy?
I think people become very shocked when they see such a young diabetic girl and they're like, yeah, you don't look diabetic. So like,
Yeah, true.
how do I answer this? I mean, I don't look diabetic. Is there like a certain way diabetics look? I mean, that's not the case, right?
They already have that thing set in their mind कि ये diabetic ऐसा ही होता है.
Exactly. या फिर अरे वो तो 50-40s में होता है, अभी तुम्हें कैसे हो गया? But they don't even know whether it's type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes.
They just put it diabetes, not
एक
even
tag
diabetes
आ जाता
sugar.
है
तुम्हें
बस.
sugar है
Yeah,
वही.
yeah. It's like just a tag they've put on you.
God.
So, and that also limits certain things, right? I mean, that is, and you again start doubting yourself that,
Right.
okay, this is how the world is perceiving me now, and whether I should do this or do that. In fact, I use an insulin pump to manage my diabetes, and I was in one of the meetings we had gone for.
Right.
We were going for a vendor meeting, and we had like a proper conference meeting there. And my pump started giving me low alert. So it gives alerts whenever
Right.
it goes into hyper or hypo. तो मीटिंग के बीच में वो पंप बजने लगा एंड वन गाय कम्स अप टू मी एंड लाइक ये रिकॉर्डर है क्या, इसको बंद कर दो, ये चलेगा नहीं यहाँ पे. मैंने बोला ये रिकॉर्डर नहीं है, इट्स एन इंसुलिन पंप एंड आई कैन नॉट रिमूव इट अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो ऐसे ऐसे वियर्ड एक्सप्रेशंस, लोग रिकॉर्डर बोल देते हैं, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं विदाउट इवन लाइक.
I forgot this bottle cap. My sensor is a bottle cap. Why are you wearing a bottle cap on your arm?
That is so insensitive.
I was like, I'm going to Vaishno Devi दर्शन लेने, इधर मैं किधर अटक गई, ऐसे हो गया.
Exactly.
I mean, but it's, you know, even educated people, like, I'm pretty sure that whoever the guy was, he must have been educated and all, and still he said कि ये recorder बंद करो. Simple, basic knowledge is what sadly India as a country lack. You know, since you're this health tech innovator, if I'm not wrong, so you might come across, you know, people asking कि can you suggest कि लाइक ये डायबिटीज़ होता है कभी कि डायबिटीज़ अगर कोई डायबिटिक आया है कोई और हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम के साथ है, कोई बोलता है क्या कि ये जा सकता है कुछ, तुम ऐसे इनोवेट करो या कुछ बोलते हैं कोई?
आई मीन ये तो होता ही है ऑलमोस्ट लाइक यू नो स्पेशली वुमेन आंटीज वुड कम अप टू मी एंड से कि यार तुम ऐसा कुछ डिवाइस बना दो कि मेरा डायबिटीज़ रुक जाए, क्योंकि मुझे गोलगप्पे खाने हैं, मुझे गुलाब जाम खाना है, तुम ऐसा कुछ तो कर दो.
ओह गॉड.
बट या
व्हाट यू टेल देम देन?
आंटी आप एक CGM लगाओ, आप बस मॉनिटर करो अच्छे से, आप दवाई लो, आप इंश्योर करो कि आपका फाइबर अच्छा है, एक वॉक लो 15 मिनट और आपको जो पसंदीदा खाना है थोड़ा सा अमाउंट में खा ले सकते हैं.
Right. Also, one more question I think which a lot of people would want to know, since you are you're the best person to answer this for us. Does India's healthcare system lack diabetes care?
Oh, definitely. I mean, I have been part of a lot of these discussions, especially after going through diabetes. There are communities now which support diabetic people. But what I have consistently seen is there is lack of resources.
Right.
So even today, like for me to understand the use cases of insulin pump, because I'm an entrepreneur, I have to travel constantly.
Right.
We work long hours. Sometimes my meal timings go little out of the yeah. So tab pump really comes into the picture and it just saves my day. Like I don't have to constantly think कि okay अभी low जा रहा है, अभी मुझे जल्दी से खाना है, या फिर high जा रहा है मेरे को insulin लेना है.
Right.
So in that way, pump has really helped me manage my diabetes much better way.
Right.
But again, these solutions that we have, they are very expensive. मतलब उसका maintenance, फिर insulin हर
जो यही 5,000 का आता है.
Exactly, it's very expensive. I mean, I really think कि, and we are the diabetic capital of the world, right?
Exactly.
So we have to have these resources at a much affordable cost.
That is it.
Imagine there are young children that are going through these experiences, right? उनको उनकी पूरी school life, adulthood पूरा निकालना है. And you must be knowing, if I don't have a CGM, I don't know my blood glucose levels.
And you can't keep pricking. Like the monitor is still not so expensive, but every time you can't keep pricking.
Exactly.
इतनी बार मैंने prick किया पूरा ऐसे dot हो गया था. Imagine all my
fingers. And it starts hurting also, like after some time.
A lot.
So how many times will you prick, right? So there has to be.
करके.
Yeah. I still remember initially जब मेरे nurse ने मुझे सिखाया था injection लेना. I was so scared. I was like, how do you pierce yourself, यार, with a needle? It's so scary.
I know. Even I used to be scared. I don't know. I understand that. Another, thing that since I don't use a pump, I'm a little scared to use a pump. But people who are watching and they are like thinking कि insulin से pump पे shift करूँ, क्या बताना है उनको? How pump is helpful? How can it benefit?
Yes.
Might change my perspective also a little.
So yeah, pump is something that is attached to your body 24/7. Yes,
okay.
And that is one factor that intimidates a lot of people. But I think once it integrates in your lifestyle, it becomes much more easier.
Right.
It really offloads that stress of constantly monitoring and calculating insulin wala bit.
Right.
So you have that headspace, that bandwidth आपके दिमाग में रहती है. And you can थोड़ा tension free also travel around. Like let's say tomorrow you decide कि मुझे आज मेरे friend के घर sleep over करना है. तो now you don't have to worry कि अरे मुझे insulin मेरा साथ में लेना है या pen साथ में लेना है. नहीं रहा, if I run out of it, तो क्या?
Right.
So it keeps your complete lifestyle very hassle free. And there are a lot of advanced pumps. Like I use Medtronic pump 780G. So it's a quite advanced pump. It communicates with my CGM. So as soon as it detects that my blood glucose is going high, it will autocorrect it by 0.2, 0.4 units.
Right.
And if it's going low, it will stop delivering insulin. So in that way, the loop is completed and I don't have to really worry about it. जब भी मैं खाना खाने जा रही हूँ, I'll just enter the carts कि आज breakfast है या lunch है. I just have to take the bolus, whatever is required, it will deliver automatically.
Right.
But I think pump के साथ एक ये चीज़ भी आती है कि that the consumables and everything it becomes very expensive. You also have to be mindful, like change your needle after every 4 days. Ensure that you change your sensor after every 7 days or 14 days. So वो एक थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. But I think if you are a very busy person with a very active lifestyle, pump is a very great solution for you. It will make your diabetes management easier for sure.
Hopefully someday.
And I'd also like to add that if you want to try it out, like maybe you want to check out whether it's for you or not, you also get a 14-day trial period with a pump. So you can try it out, see whether you're liking it or not, see how it can actually fit in your lifestyle, and then you can make a decision whether you want to purchase it or not.
Right. Now moving on, so you have chosen a very unique field for a woman. This is a little male dominated, if I'm not wrong. How has your experience been through in such a unique field?
So when I started out, I have had a startup before, which was more on the AI based and hardware
Right.
based. I worked on it for 2 years, but unfortunately it didn't work out. So we decided to pivot, and that's how I started Energize. In the initial days, I think a lot of people are there to give you free का advice. कि अरे ये क्या कर रहे हो, ये छोड़ दो, ये तो चलेगा ही नहीं इंडिया में. And you as a young adult who is so rebellious and is committed कि नहीं मुझे तो ये prove करना है. You go above and beyond to make things work.
Right.
You work day and night to make that dream product that you've been envisioning. So it was a very tough journey. Right from finding the right people, I think that becomes more difficult part. कि finding the right people who will help you the right way and then eventually build your product. तो उसमें बहुत टाइम लगा. Obviously things were not going well, तो but whatever learnings I had in that first startup, I implemented in my second startup.
Right.
तो इस बार जब मैं जाती थी किसी भी मैन्युफैक्चरर से या भी किसी भी वेंडर मीटिंग में, आई वाज मच मोर कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज नाउ आई न्यू कि वो क्या पूछने वाले हैं या फिर किस एंगल से पूछने वाले हैं, हाउ आई शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड. सो आई थिंक डूइंग दैट होमवर्क, टॉकिंग टू पीपल, जस्ट टॉकिंग टू पीपल, asking that how was their journey, knowing what mistakes they made kind of helps you because now you know what path to avoid. And now I think over the years अभी support system हमारा अच्छा बना है in the startup ecosystem.
Right.
I guess 6 years 7 years back इतना नहीं था जितना अभी है. So you will find mentors, be it in the creative field or hardware field or software field.
Right.
There are a lot of government programs that are happening, especially for supporting women. That they will also support you financially and also help you with marketing, give you that kind of visibility so that your product is reaching those right customers.
True.
तो अभी वो support system आया है which has made things a lot more easier. But पहले उतना नहीं था, तो पहले तो बहुत struggle होता था, like getting just one meeting would be such a tough thing.
And the sad part is sometimes women are looked, हाँ लड़की क्या ही कर लेगी,
मतलब ये 2 साल करेगी फिर छोड़ देगी,
क्या ही कर सकती है.
That is the attitude people have. But yeah, over the years I'm happy that finally our product is ready and I can't wait the customers to
talking
really
about your
it.
product Energize, I'm pretty sure it's going to be helpful to plenty of people, but can you tell us more about the product?
Yes, so Energize is basically a wearable device that will help you de-stress anywhere, anytime within 10 minutes. So how we do it, your body has autonomic nervous system, right? So इस nervous system के 2 parts है, एक sympathetic और एक parasympathetic. So sympathetic is the one which is responsible for fight and flight. Every energy you required for your day-to-day task, sympathetic provide करेगी. And parasympathetic is the one responsible for rest and recovery. तो whenever you're relaxing, you're sleeping, उसके लिए parasympathetic responsible.
Right.
अभी हो क्या गया है कि because of a very busy lifestyle, we are constantly in a sympathetic overdrive.
True.
Glucose ऊपर जा रहा है, traffic में हम फंसे हैं, there's a deadline. So all of these give you a lot of stress, right? You're constantly on a sympathetic overdrive. So parasympathetic, which needs to come into action on its own to balance your nervous system, वो हो नहीं पाता है. Which is why you must have observed that people do yoga, people do deep breathing exercises, meditation. वो parasympathetic nervous system activate करने के लिए.
Right.
तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम इस parasympathetic nervous system को activate कर रहे हैं on demand. तो we stimulate a nerve called vagus nerve in your body, जो आपके कान के पीछे होती है. तो this small device you just have to put behind your ear.
Got it.
Take a stimulation session, relax, chill. And you will find that within 10 to 15 minutes, you will start feeling very calm, very centered. आपकी breathing एकदम normal हो जाएगी. You were maybe experiencing brain fog, you were not able to focus. Now you will feel completely centered.
Wow.
And all those racing thoughts that you had, they will completely come to a stop.
Right. Another thing now, like Team Energize is all Gen Z.
Yes.
Talking about Gen Z, सबसे ज़्यादा anxiety according to studies again उनको है.
Yeah.
Because of cortisol and stress, the anxiety and all. I've seen Gen Z especially उनका anxiety बहुत आता है. How can Energize help these Gen Z people?
Yes. So you rightly said, nowadays Gen Z is so ambitious. They want to achieve a lot of things
many
in a
things.
limited time.
Yeah.
और हमें आदत पड़ गई है to get things instantly. If we don't see any instant output, any instant result, we leave it and we just move ahead. कि अरे ये नहीं चल रहा है, let's do something else. So obviously this whole activity's high ambition is coupled with stress, with anxiety. And considering our lifestyle, it has become of a paramount importance कि आप पहले अपने health का ख्याल रखो.
Right.
It's not like कि अभी stressors कम है या अभी की तरह आपकी कोई balance नहीं है अभी आपकी lifestyle में. Now to bring it on their own, it becomes an effort.
Right.
तो जब तक कुछ major thing नहीं होती, unless we fall terribly sick, we don't really realize कि अरे इसके वजह से ये हुआ था. So I think that has come to the
Like
picture.
health has taken a back step for
Back
most
step,
of the Gen
yeah,
Z.
yeah.
Right.
And that is where even like the condition that I have right now, it's called LADA, that is latent autoimmune diabetes in adults.
Oh, wow.
And this is specifically found in adults from 18 to 25.
Oh wow, I did not know that.
So this has been very like LADA cases have been rising in India currently because of this whole lifestyle, hustle culture. People are not eating food on time. They're not aware that they are taking proper nutrition. In fact, I'll tell you one case. When I was admitted in the hospital, मेरे एक relative थे, उनके friend का बेटा had received a placement in a good MNC company.
Oh.
तो हर MNC company में joining से पहले आपका एक health checkup होता है.
Right.
तो he just went for that routine health checkup. सब हो गया and जब report आया तो blood sugar 400.
Oh my God.
And through that checkup, he found out that he has diabetes and he was put on medication.
My God.
तो लोगों को मतलब बिल्कुल ही अवेयरनेस नहीं है कि आपके cortisol levels जैसे आपने बताया कि when they are fluctuating,
Right.
it does affect your blood glucose level.
Obviously.
Because cortisol releases that blood sugar in your bloodstream to give you that energy to actually carry out these activities.
Right.
तो अगर ये कंटिन्यूसली चलता ही रहा, कॉर्टिसोल हाई लेवल पे चलता रहा, तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू अफेक्ट योर स्ट्रेस लेवल्स, योर एंजाइटी, योर स्लीप लेवल्स. इट इज़ लाइक अ कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट, एंड देन इवेंचुअली हाई कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स विल टर्न इनटू chronic stress, lifestyle diseases.
True.
So I really want to spread this awareness now that I've gone through this journey firsthand. कि take care of your health first. I think your interview can wait, any master's application can wait, startup can wait.
Health should be primary, not
But
secondary.
health has to be prioritized. Yeah.
It's always, I think, kept secondary, sadly, but I think, I hope the Gen Z especially understand that.
Yes.
Also, Energize was on Shark Tank, and that was an amazing episode. Do you want to share some BTS moments and experience, overall
Yes.
experience?
Oh, it was nerve-wracking. I mean, I tell you, we were a pre-revenue company, so we were not essentially out in the market. तो हम बहुत ऐसे nervous थे कि कैसे करें, will we get selected or not, हमें funding मिलेगी क्या. But we were very confident with the product. हमें पता था कि हमें product बस pitch नहीं करना है. We have to prove our product on a
Right.
national television. So we had prepared our pitch. हमने 2 दिन बैठ के पूरा rehearse किया. And when the final D-Day came, it was we were really nervous, but we knew that this is our moment to shine. And we confidently gave answers, like discussions were going on and everything. I remember I was so nervous I could not eat that day. And the Shark Tank team, like the whole production team, was so supportive. Like उन्होंने हमारे display के पीछे they had kept chocolates, they had kept sugar water,
Right.
and they were like, at any moment you feel you
Dizzy or
are
something,
dizzy हो रहा है कि या फिर glucose low जा रहा है, don't stop, don't hesitate, आप बोल दो, मुझे बस 2 मिनट दे दो, and quickly like grab a chocolate or just drink water. Don't come into pressure and say कि अरे मैं कैसे बोल दूँ अभी. But they were very supportive, accommodating, and उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से मेरी situation भी handle की थी. Because उनको पता था ही था कि type 1 diabetic. तो like ये pump निकालना पड़ेगा, mic कहाँ लगाएंगे हम? But I was like नहीं निकाल सकते. So they really supported me, throughout that journey. And I think throughout our pitch, we were constantly doing discussions. So questions were coming. They were हम लोगों को demo एक बार हो गया. उसके बाद आगे कुछ किसी को try out करने का device किसी को पहनाने का मौका ही नहीं मिला,
हाँ.
because they were so intrigued about the stories, they were so intrigued about you know
When I saw like the reaction was like, oh,
Yeah.
stress के लिए.
So उसमें हमारा काफ़ी टाइम गया, and then the offers started coming in, and we went behind. We had that discussion कि okay अभी कैसे करना है, and we were running out of time, so it was like a very quick moment कि आप you know now it's like now is your time. It's either yes or no, and आपको एकदम वो pressure
now or never
situation
kind
में,
of moment.
yes, you have to make a decision and just you know go
Present
for
it. Another thing, you have experienced so many things to diabetics,
Yeah.
as well as to those probably women who are youngsters and who want to get into the male-dominated field.
Yeah.
वो लोगों को क्या कहना है आपको, diabetics and the young women?
Especially young women and women who are diabetics, I think we need to remove this fact from our mind कि diabetes is limiting us. That's not the case. I think as I said, diabetes is just one part. You still have every right to pursue your dream. You still have right to equal opportunities that other guys who are living normal lives have. So the main key part is to believe yourself. Like I believe that I need to trust my gut instinct.
True.
If my gut feeling is saying yes, I can do this, I should be able to do it.
Right, obviously.
So, and no matter what the entire world says, there will be a lot of opinions. It is going to be hard, but don't lose hope. It might be tougher today, but I'm pretty sure that tomorrow will be easier. So I would like to really encourage them and you know, especially reach out to them, because even after Shark Tank episode released, a lot of diabetic people approached me asking how did you manage, especially in a very stressful lifestyle. Being an entrepreneur is not easy. There are times that I'm in a pitch and my glucose is going low and I don't know what to do, but I just pull myself through ki okay, just 10 minutes and you know, we will be done. So after being through a lot of experiences, I think it all comes down to management, how you're managing. If that is sorted, you have the right of living as normal as a life as every other human being. So
also, you know, to those diabetics who are ashamed of diabetes when they shouldn't be, what do you want to tell them? Because you're so open about diabetes, I am so open about diabetes. What do you want to tell those who are little petrified or little ashamed कि हाँ मैं diabetic हूँ? उनको क्या कहना है आपको?
So as I said, diabetes, especially the ones that we are suffering from, type 1 diabetes, isn't essentially their fault. It is definitely intimidating. It changes your entire life.
Right.
It changes your outlook towards life, because every single thing that you're doing, you are doubting whether you should do it or not, what consequences it will have. But I think it's just a phase that you need to go through once you've accepted that, okay, this is how my life is going to be. I just need to be mindful about these things and I can do other things normally.
Exactly.
In fact, I'll tell you, I was reading this post on one of the Facebook groups. They were discussing how to do scuba diving, being type 1 diabetes.
Oh wow.
So they had figured out a strategy that what to eat, when to eat, if you're doing 20-minute session, if you're doing 40-minute sessions, and that is so inspiring. Like even diabetes is not stopping them.
Exactly.
So why should you, right?
Exactly.
So it's our own thoughts that limit us most of the times. And once you've accepted that, okay, this is how life is, just go by it the way you would do normally. I think each and one of us has the right to live a normal life. And once there is enough awareness, I think support groups, at least this is what made my journey easier. And I want to make their journey easier as well.
It was, you know, such a great conversation, because I think we relate a lot being type 1 diabetics, and I hope the diabetics who are watching, that they also understand that being a diabetic is never the end of the world. Thank you so much, Shalmali, for having this conversation and being a part of today's episode.
Thank you so much, Kiara. Had an amazing time.
Same here.